I have to go duty. You can come down. I need to go. Yes, can you come out? Or you want to come my room? It's okay, I arrange for you bed. Oh, okay. I really sorry, I have to go. Okay. Oh, sorry. Take my support. Okay. You want to eat something? Oh. Oh. Okay, bye. I have to go on duty. Huh? You want to say something? Or you are hungry? You want to eat? Oh. Do you want to eat? Oh, yeah, you are late. Yeah, you need something. I like you take my home. Oh, yes. Oh, you like me, huh? I also like you, but no time. I have to go on. Oh, mashallah. Wow. Oh, it's enough. You put too much dirty on my body. You need to take shower first. Why you not take shower? What you did? You make dirty all of it. You want to take shower? Bye.